Hello people and welcome back to NewYorkDashCam channel, a channel that features only the latest content from the roads all over the world. So let's not delay any further and get this episode started. In this video, you will see how recklessly a trucker acts in traffic. He was tailgating other cars for no reason at all. Luckily, the camera had enough space for him to fit in, but this is crazy.
Almost to the exclusion of anything else.
She is.
Continue for 4 miles.
Funny. I mean, you can see kind of where it's not funny, but it's that she comes out with in front of you and your brother, Dinesh, and also we learned quite a lot about the.
Driver in front of the camera got distracted a bit, and as a result, he rear-ended the vehicle.
Okay, so we can do that. Wash out.
You always have to indicate and pay attention at your mirrors, especially during a rush hour. This is something the driver in this clip didn't account for. The purpose of this video is to act as a pointer on how not to behave in certain situations in traffic. This is actually a mini compilation of crashes recorded on this driver's dashcam. Check it out and hopefully you may learn something from it. It's a fast-paced life we are living in, but nothing is more important and precious than life itself. Please drivers, put down your phone. It's not worth it. This is exactly the outcome of running a red light.
Best thing to my calendar? Canadians lose a lot of sleep overnight.
Hopefully you
so
win
we
something
created
these
Sleep
tickets you
Advisor
got.
by Scotia
Dude, what
Advice
the?
Plus. Everything to help you relax.
Whoa!
Visit scotiabank.com/sleepadvisor.
Whoa, dude.
You're recording.
With so many holiday solutions at Ikea.
it.
The car had a legal right to make the right from its lane, but should learn to give extra room when turning beside a semi-truck, especially when in town and city roads.
What on, dude? You're the one who decided to put your blinkers on too late, dude. I saw that middle finger. Well, come on, dude. Well, come on.
Oh my God. Oh God.
This crazy driver was doing double the speed limit in a residential area, but he got caught on camera and reported to the police.
Corners, just this round ball, this silver round ball, and I look at it, and we're talking about something else. Excuse me, is that
Okay, Presto.
Yeah, good eye. I'm like,
Dumbass.
Sputnik. And there's only 3 of them. One was in space. There's 4.
Look at this guy, middle of the road.
Watch. That kind of hurts because of the